Rumble, how to create an account. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. Quick video today, you'll learn how to sign up, okay? How to create an account on the Rumble app. First, I invite you to subscribe. I make various tutorials to help you out. For those who don't know, Rumble is a new platform similar to YouTube. To sign up, I'll leave a direct link in the video description, alright? Just click on the link in the video description. Let's click here to install. The app is installing now. It's pretty quick, guys. Then just click open. You'll see two options. Click on the second one, create a profile. You don't have a profile yet, so let's click here to register. You can sign up using Facebook, Gmail, Google, or create a username and password with your email, okay? It's up to you. Then just click on Terms and Conditions to read through them. If you agree, check the box and click the button below to continue. And there you go, folks. I'm now on the Rumble app's home feed. Sign up is super quick. You can do it in under 10 minutes. I'll leave the quick registration link in this video's description. I'll make more videos about Rumble, its features, and how to pair videos. You're going to love it, so subscribe to the channel. I'll wrap up here. Take care and God bless.